Hi all, welcome to automate resolution of terminated web service on Linux operating system using Zabbix and Rundeck. In this video, we are going to demonstrate the resolution of identifying and restoring a terminated web service from a log file on Linux operating system using alerts from Zabbix and resolution from the Rundeck. The complete process is orchestrated through the Jenkins pipeline. The tools which are used for this scenario are GitLab is used for source code management, Jenkins is used for continuous integration, Zabbix is used as a monitoring tool. Rundeck is used for a runbook automation tool. Let's explore the workflow of automated resolution of terminated web service restoration on Linux operating system using Zabbix and Rundeck. In the first stage, Jenkins job will pull the script from the GitLab. In the next stage, Jenkins will transfer and execute the script to the Linux node, which has the instruction to terminate a web service on the machine. After a few minutes, the log file is passed by Zabbix for terminated process and an alert message is shown on the Zabbix dashboard for the Linux node. Now an alert mail is sent to the admin user and Zabbix will trigger the Rundeck job. In the next stage, the Rundeck job will execute the script to restore the terminated web service on the Linux node. Once the Rundeck job completes, the terminated web service would have been restored and it has come back to normal on the Linux node, and the resolution email will be sent to the admin user. Finally, the terminated web service restoration resolved message is shown on the Zabbix dashboard for the Linux node. Let's see the pipeline in action. First, let us check the Linux node on the Zabbix dashboard. Now, let us trigger the Jenkins job. In the first stage, the Jenkins pipeline job is pulling the script from the GitLab. In the next stage, Jenkins will transfer and execute the script on the Linux node. In the next stage, the terminated web service detailed alert message is shown on the Zabbix dashboard and an alert email is sent to the admin user. In the next stage, a Rundeck job is triggered from Zabbix. Now, the Rundeck job will execute the script to solve the terminated web service and restore the same on the Linux node. Finally, the resolution of the terminated web service for Linux node is shown on the Zabbix dashboard and the resolved email is sent to the admin user. This is the complete workflow of automated resolution for terminated web service on Linux operating system using Zabbix and Rundeck. For more information, please browse www.zabbix.com. Please follow us on social media. Links are available in the description. Like, share and comment on this video. Subscribe to our channel for the latest happening on the DevOps. Thank you for watching this video.